Alright guys, today we're going to be replacing our carburetor and air filter on our Ryobi trimmer. As you can see here, the little pump is broken. It's dry rotted. The hoses are also pretty hard and stiff, and it was getting hard to start and stay running, so I'm just going to go ahead and replace the carburetor. I bought this kit off of Amazon. It was $20. It came with a new cover for the air filter, foam for the air filter, a new carburetor, new hoses, new spark plug, gaskets, and new pumps. Now for the carburetor kit it was $9, and for the whole new carburetor it was $20. Now this is a Torx number 20 bit. Here's the old carburetor. You can see how bad the hoses were, as well as the pump on top. Try and wipe off any grime. I'm going to blow this off with the air compressor really well. Alright, once you get it all clean, you just put it back together in reverse. Came with 2 new filters. I'm reusing the little clamp thing that came on there original. The hose with the filter, which sucks up the fuel, goes to the closer connection. It would be the one that's closest to the fuel tank. The one on the bottom of this, it's closer to the fuel tank. And I'm just using a razor blade to cut this because that's what I have. You could use scissors just as easy. And you just shove the hoses on as far as you can go. Don't forget to reconnect the throttle cable. And since this came with a new spark plug, I'm just going to go ahead and replace the spark plug. So I guess this air filter cover does not fit this model, so I'm just going to leave that out for now and fill it up with some gas, give it a test. Alright, we have fuel in the pump bulb. Go ahead and choke it, and let's see if we can start it. Alright guys, there you have it. It's working 100%. Was pretty easy to start. Thanks for watching.